Hey friends, be here with a video for Whimsy stamps, and today we're gonna be making one of my nemesis. That's gonna be a clean and simple card. I have difficulty making clean and simple cards because I always want to add more and more and more to my cards. So I have been learning a little bit about clean and simple cards, and this is a great video for a beginner. This is going to be such an easy, isn't if not the easiest card you have ever made. It is quick, it is simple because we're making a clean and simple, and it's so fast. There is no coloring involved, just a little bit of cutting, but you can do that with your paper trimmer. And of course you're gonna have your dies from Whimsy, which they are so helpful. Today we're gonna be using the birthday wishes word die set, and we're going to be using the rainbows paper pack. You can use any paper pack from the Whimsy shop that you like. I love rainbow, so I'm going to be using this one. Let's go ahead and make a clean and simple card. Here I have my card base in white, and the thing about a clean and simple card is that you have lots of open space or white space, blank space. There's minimal layers and embellishments. The designs for a clean and simple are very simple. There has to be like one main focal point, and it could be your image. In this case is going to be my birthday wishes, which is going to be at the center. There is also people that say that you have to do limited colors, but one step at a time, right? Mine is not going to be so much limited colors, but it's going to be clean and simple. It's going to be easy. Clean and simple cards are perfect beginner cards. They are absolutely fantastic. They are quick cards. They can be very elegant too, and they can showcase maybe your coloring if you love to color. But this is perfect for today if you are not a strong colorist or if you don't like coloring, and that is totally fine. So let's go ahead and get going. These are the three papers I have chosen to use, and from each one of them I cut a strip of the paper that measures maybe half an inch or 3/8 of an inch in width. Don't worry about the length because we're gonna glue them down and then we're just gonna trim it with our scissors. Here I have my card base, and all I'm going to do is glue down my strips, just leaving a little bit of space on the side. Then I'm gonna have my trusty scissors and cut. I'm gonna set this aside for a moment, and we're gonna go ahead and work on putting together our words. Here's my card base. I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down. And now what I'm gonna do is add my words. I am playing with dimension here and levels, and I have added some foam tape to the birthday but not to the wishes. And now you can position your words anywhere you want. You can put them in the middle like so, But what I think I'm gonna do is that I am gonna tilt my birthday and my wishes over here. I think that looks better for me. And here's how the card turned out. It is ready to be mailed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to join the Whimsy Stamps Inspiration group on Facebook to be inspired by all the projects that the design team posts there, and also fans of Whimsy Stamp. I'll see you next time.